ಏನು ವಿನ್ಯಾಸು ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೌದಾ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದೆ ಹಠ ಸಾಮಾನು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು ಗಂಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅವಾಗ ಹಠ ಸಾಮಾನು ಅದು ಹಾಳು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
The time is 6:30 and it's raining in Udupi. Coffee time. Hey all, 6:52 in the morning. Slightly drizzling in Udupi, and that's Sri Krishna Temple arch. You can see at the back side, slightly drizzling. Otherwise, it's pretty. The temperature is cool today. I hope this continues because it will help me for the return drive. And you see, that's the Citroën, that two Skoda Highlights there, and that's the hotel I stay. And that is where our Pajaka is. This has been my second time in this hotel because of the proximity to the Krishna Temple. Lord Krishna, help us. Help Citroën too. So this is the morning shot. Currently the time is 7 a.m. The sun has started to come up. The rain has stopped, and there you see beauty and the goddess. Why do I say goddess? Krishna Mata is right opposite to the hotel here. If you are coming to Udupi, I think I would recommend you to come to Mathura Lodge, right opposite to that. It's quite cheap, 1,800 for the AC room. We were 3 of us and we were able to accommodate easily. Large rooms, they give you extra bed as well. That's my car. Drenched in the early morning drizzle. The reason I came to the car is to set up the DJI on the mount so that we are ready to kickstart towards Pajaka. Pajaka is around 9 minutes from here, 9 to I think 15 minutes, but 9 kilometers approx. So I am trying the best possible direction where I would get the best view. See, this would not come until here, so I'm planning to keep it somewhere here, this side, if it comes, okay, so that I'm able to showcase this part. Hopefully, let's see how the final outcome is. This is the luggage space. While we're returning, it's completely full. Although there is tiny space here, rear view. Hi, morning. Time is around 8:10. We are leaving from the hotel and moving towards Pajaka, and then breakfast, and then towards Bangalore. So this is one of the driver setup POVs I just set up. I don't know whether it works out because the video also captures the rear view mirror. It's adjusted to my view it's not blocking at all. So I think I'll be able to showcase what I see from the driver's perspective. I'll change few angles and see how best I can show you what I see. And you can see the steering and the odo, the display part. You may not be able to see the if I do this, you should be able to see everything, but that is not the point. The point is somewhere here. Because today I am taking the route via Agumbe, and I want you guys to see how the ghat is right now. Even if it is not raining, it might be slightly drizzling. Agumbe to Hasan via Balehonnur and Belur. It's mind-blowing coffee and tea estates all around with some twists and turns. And if it is drizzling or raining, it's going to be even more beautiful and wonderful to drive. Small waterfalls around. That is what I would expect from this drive. Okay. Thank you. See you on the next part. Stop recording. Hey, good morning everyone. Time is 8:10 and we are leaving from the hotel. Reversing my car, moving towards Pajaka. A lot of vehicles today being Sunday, and this view will give me precisely the reason why I should be using a 360-degree camera, because it will allow me to see what is there ahead. Can you see that? It can clearly move. That's the advantage behind having a 360-degree camera there. The time is around 9 a.m. We're still at Udupi, right? And you know I'm sweating because of the temperature. The heat, the sun has come up and the heat is higher. So it was drizzling in the morning, now it's hot, that will that is the effect of early monsoon. And Udupi being on the coastal area, the humidity is high too. But you can see this drawing behind, and this is the Ratha Bidi. And if you go towards the left, that's where the Krishna Temple is.